Hey guys, welcome back to TR3 Performance. Today we have a beautiful 2015 Porsche 991 GT3. This client uses this car specifically for track use only. So he started to do some slight modifications to it. When I say slight, some things are bigger, some things you can't see. So we initially went with a Fabspeed full exhaust. So header back, this car is practically straight pipe. One of the loudest, meanest sounds you will ever hear coming out of a Porsche GT3. Additional to the exhaust, he wanted a bit more downforce. And I don't know if you guys have done your research, but if you Google APR Performance, they have substantial data on what this rear wing that you can see on the cars now does to the car once it's installed. The APR wing is a full carbon wing, does mount to factory location, so there's no modifications added to it. It does have multiple positions, so depending on what track you do run the car at, you can change the wing angle for more or less downforce, like I said, depending on which track you go to. On top of the exhaust, we did do some air filters to the car. So we paired this beautiful vehicle with the Fabspeed long tube competition headers together with the muffler bypass. So as we did the Fabspeed full exhaust on it, obviously we did have to put our tune on it as well. We did do the Pearson tune. That's who we highly recommend, and this is who we use at TR3 for all our tuning purposes. Stage 2 tune, it did add about 45 horsepower and 55 foot-pounds of torque to the car. This is a complete package, performance-wise, let's say mainly power gains for this vehicle for the track use. So we do have a bit more goodies coming in for this car, especially for track use. So stay tuned. If you do like our videos, comment, like, and subscribe on them. We'll catch you soon.